What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So our Land Cruiser's got like 33,000 miles on it. It's 2016, so it's 5 years old. I'm going to do the gear oil on these, the front and rears. I haven't ordered the 75 straight weight transfer case oil yet from Toyota. I need to do it for my truck too. So, and for those of you who don't know, the Tundra, it takes like, they sell in liters, so it takes 1.2 liters, I think. I need 2 cans either way, and it's like $70 a can. So I'm thinking if I can do this one in the truck at the same time, then I can just buy 3 cans, call it good. And my dad's 400, his 13 takes 75 straight weight too, so it'll all work out. But I'm just doing the axle oils today, and I'm gonna let you guys follow along. First thing I gotta do is I gotta drop the spare tire. Alright guys, I'll be using Mobile One 75W90 synthetic gear lube just like I did on the Tundra and my dad's 400. Alright guys, both the drain and fill are 24 millimeters. Always break loose the fill first. Alright guys, that was easy. Alright, see if I can get it without getting dirty. There we go. I didn't bring any towels down here. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how much gunk's on the plug here. Get a clean rag underneath. This is the drain plug. It's magnetic, so look at all that gunk on there. Alright guys, I'm back. So I ordered these parts from my friend at the parts department, and I got the old ones off here. Drain plugs. Looks like the part number for these is 12 15 7 110, and the plug's the same for both. Here's the crush washers, here's the new crush washers. And when I pulled them off, the flat side goes down, and then the crush side goes towards the differential. So, just like that. Alright guys, look at the torque spec. From what I've seen, it's 79 Newton meters, which converts to like 36 foot-pounds for each. So I'm going to torque them to, it's 36 and change. I'm torquing to 37 foot-pounds, the drain and the fill. Let's go fill it. Alright guys, we're getting close. It's starting to drip out. So go ahead and put the fill plug back in there. Alright guys, put the fill plug in. I'm going to torque it to the same foot-pounds as the drain plug. Hold on.
I gotta eat lunch.
Almost have this done. Yeah, I'll eat lunch.
Aw.
Alright guys, the rear's done. As you can see, it took about 4 and 2/3? Probably about 4.5. These still have some in it. So I'm gonna pour all this into this can that still has some left over. And then we're gonna start on the front. Alright guys, time to do the front diff. I had to remove the skid plate. I'm gonna show you where there's the drain hole. It's hard to see. There's the fill hole up there, right there. I don't know if you can see. They're both Allens. I'm gonna take the skid plate off. Alright guys, all the oil's drained. I'm going to thread in the drain plug. Find it. Find the torque specs for it. Alright guys, I looked at the torque specs. It is 39 Newton meters, which ends up being like 30 foot-pounds. So for both. It's a 10mm Allen. Alright guys, I jacked up the vehicle to access the plug with my torque wrench. Alright guys, so I got it all done. The front's rough to film because there's not a whole lot of space. I think I should film some of it. Oh, but pumping it in there, you got to use a manual pump. It's just rough. So it took 6.5 quarts for everything. Took 7 bottles, but not a full 7th. So I'd say 6.5. Wasn't bad. If I look beat, it's hot here in Missouri. I think it feels over 100 degrees, honestly. But yeah, so the front torque was like 30 foot-pounds, I believe. The back was like 37 for the plugs. And I did actually find you need 4 washers. 3 of them are the silver washers that I showed earlier, and then you need 1 of the copper washers for all the plugs. So I guess the one I didn't pull off the front was still stuck to the differential. That's why when I went to wipe it off, it fell, and I found it. So You need a silver one for the fill on the front, silver for the fill on the rear, silver for the drain on the rear, and then the copper goes on the drain in the front. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Cruiser only has 33,000 miles on it. I know the Toyota manual says like on severe maintenance it would be every 30,000. On my truck I did it at 40, but I had the oil here. Like I said, I bought it for the Cruiser and my dad's, so I still need to do my dad's 13 Trail. And then I'm done with gear oil for a while. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching.